All right, we're gonna start the siding process on this house. We have the old asbestos. We took the old aluminum off. It's asbestos underneath. We're gonna keep that. We're just gonna side right over top of it. We'll put 2x4s around our windows, cap them. These are old work windows, I guess you would call them. We got to Tyvek it. We'll have to re-step flash this corner and up this side because the people that replaced the roof never step flashed and took the siding off, and now that it's off, we'll re-step flash it. We'll eventually have to replace the door. We'll have to do the soffit for over here as well, take the gutters off, cap the fascia, redo the soffit up there eventually. I'm going to keep that closed off up there right now because I don't want birds getting in my house until I get the soffit done, you know, until I'm ready to do it that day. So yeah, we got a lot of work out here. It's gonna be real fun and hot, and can't wait till it's over.